Hello guys, port viewing muna tayo. Hello. Oh, yes. What? No more man. I don't know. Maybe later. Tomorrow I'm here in the Tech 7. Only viewing man, viewing. Tech 7, starboard side. Tech 7. I'm here in the front of the Disney cruise line. Yeah, port side. Okay. Starboard side, I think. Starboard side. Because port side is embarkation deck.